Namaste, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you a video on back pain. If you are suffering from severe back pain or any chronic back pain, this is going to be a best yoga video for you to try at your home. As you know, there are different reasons, factors which is causing back pain, like hereditary, sedentary lifestyle, obesity, or working longer time, or lack of exercises, maybe injuries like accident or sports. For all different reasons, back pain may come. So if you are suffering from any back pain, and this video can help you, so I request you to watch this video till end, understand it and practice. Let's get started. We begin with a special technique for back pain, that is actually strengthening your abdomen. You know that mainly the back pain is because of weak abdomen muscles or weak core, and of course back muscles also. Here we are going to help you to strengthen abdomen muscles with this technique. The technique is very simple. So just fold the knee and keep foot parallel to each other and palms by the sides, and here as you exhale, squeeze your abdomen and press your back to the mat like this, and inhale, release it, and exhale, squeeze the abdomen muscles and press to the mat. As you inhale, release it. Do this continuously 10 to 15 times. Exhale, squeeze, and inhale, release. Continue a few times. And very important, actually, you can also keep some soft cloth, a folded towel under the back, or where your back is paining, where your back is hurting in your lumbar area. There you can keep and you can press also. That is very helpful. Otherwise, simply pressing is enough. Folding knee very helpful because back will rest very nicely, so that you can press very easily. So once again, exhale, press, and inhale, release it. So this is the first technique. As I said, 10 to 15 times. The second technique is dorsal stretch. Dorsal means actually our upper back. So upper back has to be stretched. So that helps to stretch your back muscles and to improve your blood circulation. Blood supply and nerve supply will take place very easily, so that it can help us to reduce the pain. So keep legs straight and foot together, toes pointed to the wall and palms on the thigh. Now inhale deeply. As you exhale, slowly lift your shoulder and your upper back and lift your palm slightly above the thigh. And as you inhale, slowly go down vertebra by vertebra and palm back to thigh. So do this 5 to 10 times continuously. Exhale, and as you inhale, slowly down and drop the hand. Repeat 3 more times, and you should lift here vertebra by vertebra, and as you inhale, go back to mat vertebra by vertebra. There should not be any strain in the neck, remember, or you should not push your shoulder too much. So do it at your comfort. As you exhale, slowly move up, and very important, you should not lift your lumbar back. Lumbar back has to be pressed. Remember, this sequence is mainly for lumbar back pain. So that is why lumbar back has to be flat on the mat. Inhale, return, and every time you have to release the shoulder from the tension, remember. So you should not retain the tension. It may be neck or shoulder. The tension has to be released when you return. And when you exhale, just squeeze your lower abdomen slightly and come up. Exhale and inhale. Drop your shoulder and relax. So third technique is Sayto Bandasana, one of the very powerful asana, and even Sayto Bandasana itself is enough to treat most of the lumbar back pain. So that is like this. Bend knee and foot has to be parallel, and here your heel should touch your tip of the thumb. That is the alignment. So if possible, bring it and touch your heel. Bring your heel closer to thumb and touch your tip of the thumb to the heel, and foot has to be parallel. And very important point here to note is press your foot evenly. That is very important. You have to press both the foot evenly, and then as you inhale, slowly lift your tailbone, and then entire our lower back vertebra by vertebra. And as you exhale, return step by step like this. So inhale, come up, and as you exhale, slowly return to the mat. So both foot has to be pressed evenly and properly. That is very, very important. And no pressing your head or neck here to the mat. So neck should be free, head should be free, and weight will transfer on the shoulder. And inhale can be done 5 to 10 times. Repeat this practice. Exhale, down. 2 more times. Inhale, vertebra by vertebra, remember. So here weight will come on the shoulder, neck is free. And exhale. So synchronizing breathing is very, very important with your movements. So inhale, press both foot evenly, and exhale, drop down. You can lift here as much as possible according to your capacity. So if you are very flexible, you can lift more. If you are not flexible, you can lift as much as possible. And next is Pavana Muktasana technique. So keep leg straight. Pavana Muktasana, we have 2 types, single leg and double leg. Ekapada Pavana Muktasana, Dvipada Pavana Muktasana. So here, inhale, lift your right leg up. You can point your toe there and interlock your fingers and bend your knee, hug and press your thigh to the chest. Exhale, press and lift your head slightly, but make sure you are not lifting your shoulder towards here. So that is very important. Push the elbow down and just make your back curve and push your thigh to the chest. Make sure your lumbar back is stretching, your lumbar back muscles are stretching. So as you inhale, drop the head down and lift the leg to 90 degree, and exhale, drop down. And inhale, lift up, and exhale, interlock and press to the chest and head up, and inhale, head down and lift to 90 degree, exhale, drop down. Repeat 5 times each leg. Inhale up, exhale, inhale to 90 degree, exhale, drop. Left leg, inhale up, exhale, inhale, exhale, drop down. In case if this is too much for you, in case if you are not able to lift your leg, if back is hurting, then you can do it easy way. Easy way is drag your foot like this. Inhale, drag your foot and hug. Exhale, pull towards your chest like this. Now inhale, drop your head down, and exhale, drag your leg back. And left leg, inhale, drag, exhale, then inhale, exhale, drag your leg back to position. This is actually Ekapada Pavana Muktasana. Double leg is like this. Inhale, lift up to 90 degree like this. Either you can bend your knee or you can lift as it is depending on your condition and your comfort. And exhale, interlock and lift your head. When you lift your head, very important actually, your lower back has to be rested properly. Don't lift your back too much. Then inhale, head down, lift your leg to 90 degree. And exhale, drop down like this. So this can be done 5 to 10 times continuously. One more time. Inhale, lift up, and exhale. Now inhale, lift up to 90 degree, and exhale, drop down. In case this is too much, of course some people cannot do this. In case if you have weak core, weak abdomen, and in such cases very difficult to lift up your both legs, or if you have very severe back pain, very difficult to lift both legs. In such cases, better to drag. Inhale, drag your foot and hug. Exhale, try to push your thigh to the chest and feel a beautiful stretch in the lumbar back. And then very important here, elbow should not go out too much, should pull the elbow downward and don't raise your shoulder to the ear. Then inhale, head down and lift, drop your leg and drag it back. So this is the easy version to do in case if you're not able to lift your leg up. So last asana is lumbar stretch, one of the very useful technique to improve blood circulation to the lumbar back and to release all the tension. So palms by the sides like this, palm facing up, and make sure your shoulder is rested properly on the ground. And now slowly bend your right leg like this and place your foot next to your knee. Now as you exhale, slowly twist and face opposite. Twist as much as possible like this. Then inhale, return. Exhale, stretch your leg back. Then other side, inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist. And inhale, exhale, stretch it back. So 5 times or 10 times you can repeat. Try one more time. Bend your leg. Exhale, twist. Synchronize your breath. Inhale, exhale, stretch it back. Inhale, bend your left knee. Exhale, slowly twist. Feel a beautiful twist in the lumbar area. And inhale, exhale, stretch it back. So now we are doing from 2 legs. Bend both legs like this. So stick your foot each other. Now inhale, exhale, twist to the left side, and make sure foot is one above the other, and you're not lifting your shoulder, and hand is landed on the ground on the mat properly. Now inhale to center, exhale to the left side. And if possible, try to keep knee one above the other and foot one above the other, and twist as much as possible. You need not to crack too much, remember. Inhale, repeat 5 to 10 times. Continue. Exhale and inhale, exhale, inhale to center, exhale to left side. Inhale to the center, exhale to the right side, and inhale to the center. Stretch your legs back. And after all this exercise, very important is rest. Remember, proper rest can heal your back pain very easily. So you can rest either in Shavasana. Shavasana is like this. Keep foot around 60 centimeter wider, palms by the sides around 30 centimeter wider from your hips, and back has to be rested properly. So rest in Makarasana. So Makarasana is like this. Lie down on the stomach like this, and then cross your arms. Place your palm on the shoulder. Chin should be where you are crossing your forearms, and here foot is pointed outside. And very important is actually your stomach is rested here, and there is no more pressure on the breast, remember. So mainly pressure will be on the tummy part. And now this is one of the best asana, relaxation asana, relaxative asana to relax your lower back, especially in the case of any kind of acute back pain. So like hernia, slip disc, all these things. So this is one of the very useful resting asana. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll come back with another video. Dhanyavad.